Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Jude, a travel agent and franchisee under Star Legends Adventures. If you want to know more about how you can have your own travel and tours business, just contact me so I can give you our free training. So tonight, I'm going to teach you how to check the status of your flight in Philippine Airlines for PAL. If you book your ticket through a travel agent, this will be our extended services to you, as we are always check your flight and inform you if there are some changes. I don't know to other travel agent if they do this to their client. Ako kasi ganito ako sa mga client ko. Lagi ko na silang ini-inform. I learned my lesson kasi there was a time when I was about to check in online my client. Then I found that his flight was moved to another date. So I was so shocked because I didn't receive an email that the flight was cancelled and moved to another date. And my client also didn't receive a text about the changes. Buti na lang na-refund kasi di niya talaga masakyan yung due date because conflict sa appointment date niya sa embassy. So now, for you to avoid this thing happen, because sometimes the airline hindi sila nag-email or even text. Napaka-stressful kung saka mo na lang nalaman na na-cancel yung flight mo on the day na lilipad na sana. Okay, so let's start. Punta ka sa philippineairlines.com and then click flight status. Click flight status. You can search by flight number or search by origin and destination. So, click departure date. For example, yung meron kang flight this coming February 25. So, i-click mo tong February 25. So, if tonight ka na-check and then yung flight mo is on February 27, hindi mo pa siya makikita dito. So, wala ka pang February 27 na makiklik. So, i-check mo yung flight mo 3 days or 2 days before your flight. So, since meron akong client na may flight sa February 25, i-click ko tong February 25, and then the flight number. Tingnan mo sa yung ticket, yung flight number, nandyan yan. So, like this, dito sa image na to, yan yung flight number. So, just type it, 2935, and then click check status. So, as you can see, okay pa naman, hindi pa naman na-move yung flight ni client. And then dito, not yet departed and not yet arrived. Siyempre kasi hindi pa naman time para sa flight niya. Okay, so kung canceled naman, makikita mo siya dito na canceled. Dito sa canceled, departure, canceled, and then arrival, canceled. So, yun lang. And then, try natin yung check or search by origin and destination. So, February 25, i-tick mo tong search by origin and destination. Then, departure date, February 25. And then, origin is BXU and Manila. Click mo tong check status. So again, okay pa naman, wala pa naman changes sa kanyang booking. Okay? So kapag on the day naman, halimbawa na nag-depart siya 11:50, and then makikita mo dito yung status mo na hindi pa siya nag-arrive. Kung halimbawa nasa himpapawid pa yung eroplano, makikita mo dito na departed. Ito, yung status niya, makikita mo dyan na departed. And not yet arrived kasi nasa himpapawid pa yung eroplano. So, ganun siya. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching this very quick video tutorial. I hope that you learned something and nakatulong siya sa inyo. For flight bookings and inquiries, just message me para ma-assist kita. Thank you so much and God bless. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!